Good afternoon, my name is Jordan Lambert, market analyst at Gelatom Management. Gold is finding good support at 1300, underscored by Lawrence Summers' decision to remove himself as a candidate to replace Fed Chief Ben Bernanke this January, leaving the more dovish Vice Chairman Janet Yellen as the top contender. Yellen's ideas on monetary policy are more congruent with Ben Bernanke, which fits well with investors, as her likely accommodative policy stance will be supportive of stocks and should prevent the dollar from strengthening excessively, and this will obviously help gold in the long term. The effects of this news seem to have been short-lived, however. Now the eagerly and nervously anticipated FOMC meeting is almost upon us to deliver that tapering decision. Therefore, the market is likely to stay range-bound, just bobbing along above 1300 until we get that tapering decision. Let's just take a look at the chart. I'm looking at the 4-hour chart. So we can see that price has been finding support just above 1300 on a couple of occasions now. 1302 was the lowest level it went to, and we've seen if I just zoom in, we can see a hammer here now on the 4-hour chart, indicating we could see some upward momentum. But just be aware that the high made on the open at 1335 this week is probably going to act as a potential resistance level, so that's a potential level to look for a reversal. If the bulls manage to push the market even higher, just be aware that 1350 was former support, quite a formidable support. It could now turn into resistance, so wait for, if the market does go this high, this would be an interesting battleground for the bulls and bears again. So yeah, it's difficult to predict where price is going to move to. I would say that it's not going to be much movement in the market until Wednesday, until after Wednesday 7:30 British summertime, which is when the FOMC conference begins, and Bernanke will be talking, and at some point he'll give the tapering decision. So the market could be quiet until then, but technically we look like we could have a bit of a bounce, because 1300 looks like a fairly solid support level, and we could just see in the short term price just drift a little higher, and potentially could even test 1335 as resistance. Thank you very much for listening to me, and I will speak to you again tomorrow.